So let's kick it off. I think we all understand the challenge today is how to act really fast with changes in your data. Those changes have to be detected quickly and accurately. And again, that'll be the focus on today's workshop. But I hope everyone agrees the world is moving faster and faster. And you got to detect these anomalies pretty quickly to stay competitive. I personally met with 400 people at the last Tableau conference in Las Vegas. And almost everyone I talked about the challenge today in the BI world is we've all built great visualizations to showcase data in Tableau and other dashboarding technologies. But the pace is so quick. How do you find that outlier to take that action? To be looking at dashboards consistently to find that yourself or to have your end users find that is very challenging. And again, that's what we want to solve today is how do you automate all of that to find those outliers quickly to your end user? And we found, and this slide makes me laugh, that what's happened to cause so many dashboards to be created in the market. Anthony, who's our CTO, says on the left-hand side of the chart, who builds great dashboards to answer real business questions. And that's me on the right side, who just wants to get actual insights, delivered to me. I don't have time to look through dashboards to find out what's happening and what to go do about it. So that conflict exists in almost every enterprise customer we work with and talk with. And the question is, how do we get better and get out of this firefighting mode? So what we have done, and we think the market's going towards, is automation. How do you automate the BI environment and really sit above the dashboard technologies to automate detection of outliers based on critical KPIs? How do you prescribe an actionable plan when that outlier is noticed? And how do you notify the right person or machine in their workflow to take that action? So we've seen these three steps are all critical. Detection of the outliers, prescriptions and notifications. Again, today we'll focus our time on the detection piece mostly, and we'll have other workshops focus more on prescribe and notify as well. So my last slide kind of pulls together our philosophy of an automation engine that's required to take the best advantage of your dashboard information. On the left-hand side, we'll go through today in depth detection mechanisms that can look at data and metrics in your dashboards using machine learning, looking for that anomaly. On the right-hand side, we'll also walk you through how to notify a person or a machine to take an action. Again, it could be a person or a machine. In the middle, we'll also show you today our policy engine that allows the analyst and the business manager to create policies so that outliers hit. What is the prescription for the end user or machine to go do? Using things like natural language and AI to drive that prescription, but always having the human-centric flavor involved in that conversation. Because today we all know the machine's not smart enough to understand the business nuance to drive always an accurate prescription. That human involvement is critical.